Shit.
Come get your chain back, nigga.
See?
We brought Adam 22 to the trenches, nigga.
He gets on his demon shit right away. We can't even get a damn intro to this video.
You know we outside, man.
Let's go. We on a world tour, man.
Come on, Toronto.
Let's go.
So this is my mom's old house. I told you what used to happen over here.
Yep.
On the Varna, Adam no jumper. A lot of shit happened.
And we just chilling, man.
Come on, we making a movie. Come on.
What's up?
Let's go.
Yo, take a pic. Stop that camera, take a pic. Day in the life in the trenches. Around the Varna, the beautiful Varna. You feel me? That's my mom's house, Adam.
You said nobody can move in here since you moved out?
Since I moved out here,
Why?
nobody can move in.
It's just too treacherous, nobody wants